when your faith starts to shine a little brighter, why do some people suddenly push back? My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel, Jesus reminds us that following Him is not always easy. Sometimes when we try to do what is right, we face misunderstandings, rejection, or even tension within our own families. It is like carrying a small candle on a windy night. The more we try to protect the light, the stronger the wind seems to blow. But Jesus tells us, do not be afraid. Not a single hair on our head escapes the Father's care. And He promises, I will never leave you nor forsake you. So when you feel discouraged in your spiritual journey, you remember this. If the wind blows against your little flame of faith, keep walking with courage. Christ is beside you. His light is stronger than any darkness, and His love will never fail you. Amen.